It happened again, but this time on my Jeep instead of my wife's Mazda. The washing sprayer wasn't working, so I took it in during routine maintenance. Luckily, I had already ordered a washer pump on Amazon for 20 bucks. They told me that it was going to be $300 to replace this part. $300, that seems like a lot. How much is the service? They said 80 bucks to put it in, 220 for the part. Said, there's one in the back seat. So they go, they grab that one, they install it, it's 80 bucks, right? Just got to pay for the service. These guys were going to charge me $220 for something I can get on Amazon for $20. Do people not understand the internet exists? Don't forget, you want happy customers, you have to have fair pricing. This is not 1994 anymore. So remember, fair and transparent pricing is super critical for happy customers.